Hey Field family, happy 4th of July. Today, I don't really have anything scheduled planned, but I went down the street and picked up a bunch of things that were left for free. Science toys, Tin Can Robot, a bunch of books, stickers, all things about like learning Spanish, world history, geographic, history, spelling, railroad, math, science. We got the ABC game over here, the worst case scenario game, survival game. And yeah, so we got all that. Oh, we also got a couple of DVDs slash CDs, or I guess DVDs. We got Math Circus, I'm not really quite sure what that is. Sesame Street's 25th birthday, The Game Plan, Good Boy, Shrek 1 and Shrek 3. So we got those so far. So that's pretty cool. Also, right now we are finally setting up Ryan's crib, me and the big cheese. We've only been working for about, I think less than an hour. And we got it like halfway done, the crib assembly part at least. And it really isn't that hard with 2 people. And yeah, we have Ryan sleeping right now. And after this, I'm going to set the crib up. And then I'm not really quite sure what we're going to do after that. It's kind of late. What time is it? My phone is now buried under all this stuff. I was going to say 4:41. So, we are going to go see the fireworks. Ryan's first time seeing the fireworks, so that's going to be fun. And yeah, so... Oh, I don't know if you noticed, but I got rid of that really shitty air mattress. Now I have a twin-size bed. Honestly, not a fan of the bed itself. Not because of the size, just... It's a lot, don't want to get into it. I'm grateful, super grateful, but just very uncomfortable. Not like, just like the feeling it gets me inside is very uneasy, and I don't like it. But I'm very grateful that I have the mattress now. But anyways, on this wall, I was hoping to put my mattress here and then the crib right here in this little space. But as you can see, it's not very big, and the crib is definitely bigger. So, oh yeah, don't mind that mess. The crib is definitely bigger, so we're gonna have to figure it out. But back to assembling the crib. Yay! The crib is finally completed. Good job, Big Cheese. Obviously. Thank you.
I wouldn't have got it done without you. Cutting the beans.
Obviously, this is not the sheet that's going to go on there, but we have lots of cleaning to do before I can get that sheet.
Put this back in here.
Yeah. Then put it up there on top of the closet. Alright. You like the bed? Yeah. Hi, baby. Na na na. So anyways, I cleaned off the bed. We got the crib set up. Oh, I mean, like, it's assembled, but all the sheets, like I said, well, actually I didn't tell you, I texted my friend that. My sheets are in the storage box in the hallway, covered by a bunch of things. I also redid the shelves just now. But look at this mess. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. Hold on. It's bad. Down there. That's where all the crib sheets are. So, I have to do that soon, but I need a relaxation break because I've been working for a couple hours and I'm literally so sweaty and so hot. I walked outside to grab the step stool, and it looked pretty gloomy outside. So that kind of stinks. It was kind of gloomy, and then I heard some thunder, so it might rain. But it might not. It might rain, it might not. We might see the fireworks today if they don't cancel them. We aren't going to get a great view, but we'll get a pretty good view. But that actually reminds me I need to call up CVS and Dollar General to see if either one of them carry infant earplugs. Hi, Ryan. Hi, Ryan. Hi. Hi, baby. All right. We're looking up the phone numbers. Thought I had them saved, but I don't.
For questions, press 2. For our hours, press 9. Please hold while we transfer your call. Thank you for calling CVS. This is Carlos. How can I help you?
Hi, I was just wondering if you guys sold infant earplugs or headphones, or you know what I mean, for like the fireworks.
I'm sorry?
For do you guys sell like infant earplugs for like
Instant earplugs?
yeah, for like the fireworks?
Let me check that real quick.
Okay. I met this guy yesterday actually at CVS when I went to go. Was it yesterday? Yeah, I think so. Or 2 days ago when I went to go pick up some girly items. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, we do have some.
Oh, you do? Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye. Alright, well, I'm still gonna call Dollar General and ask. Because, you know, just in case, you know, if they really don't have it.
Yeah, how can I help you?
Hi, I was just wondering if you guys sold infant earplugs for, like, the fireworks.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, well, hopefully CVS has it, and I'll go grab some before we go to fireworks. It's dark because I turned off the light. Oh, he's looking at us. Hi, baby. But anyways, I turned the light off because I turned this projection thing I got. I believe it's called Bedtime Remedies or something like that. I'll let you know what it is. But it's super cool. You can't use both options at the same time, which kind of stinks, but they have a projection which comes with 3 different discs. This one's obviously fish, and then if you choose the other option, which is sound, they have like heartbeat, cradle, twinkle tinkle little star, rain, heartbeat. I think I said that already, but yeah, different options. So he was being a little fussy, so I turned that on and it's working. So mama tip. And he's starting to get a little fussy now, and I just realized it's because he's gonna start needing to feed soon in about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna make him a bottle pretty soon. I feel like I swear I hear people setting off fireworks already, but it's daylight out. I'm gonna make a bottle soon. You guys can see him, but he's having so much fun. Alright, so I ate dinner. He had some BLTs. I did my makeup and gotta turn off that light. Brush my hair. About ready to leave to see the fireworks. It's so hot. Like, I cannot stand it. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing right now because I'm so hot. Shoes. I need shoes. Ah. I suck at makeup. I changed my outfit. Hopefully I can get some good pictures with Ryan. But yeah, so see you then. Hi, family. Hi, family. Oh, hi. I thought I knew that voice. I thought I knew that voice. Hi, Mommy.
What's going on? No! Ryan!
Yay, your first fireworks! Yay!
I got a real phone, not a track phone. Hey, you missed that right there. Oh, you got that?
Whoa!
Wait till you see the grand finale. That joke will be like that. Whoop! There it is! Scary, huh? That's scary.
Oh, did it scare you, buddy?
Not scary, just loud.
I see you. Oh, there you are. See your back now.
That's fine.
Now I want to be behind you.
Yeah.
Amy, that's a little one?
This is my little one.
Oh my God, what is that? Step to your left, Amy. Left. The other left.
What about my left?
step here. Like, be quiet, man. Oh, you want to be so quiet out here. And next. Hold your breath.
He's like, this is boring.
Amy says boring.
My baby said it's boring.
How old is he now?
Oh, huh?
What?
How old is?
What?
You said how old is he?
4 months.
4 months.
I don't know. I don't know, Amy.
It is 4 months. Ooh, what a smiley face.
Every time I look, I can't see. Oh, there they are. The tree's gonna grow up. Yep.
How long is this show?
49, 50 minutes. This one's Spiceberg. Tony Pool's there. Look at the I'm 50 years old. How you don't tell me what to do? I've been doing this before you came down.
Pretty lights. Pretty.
That's it right there.
Pretty. Pretty lights.
I know. He loves it.
Am I getting
That was fun.
Yeah.
You like the fireworks,
They
baby?
probably don't want anybody going there and feed
Yeah, because then there'd be a lot of firefighters getting called. Phone's messed up. Whoa, that one was cool. How do you like them, baby? Woo! hate the lighting in here. Anyways, we are back from the fireworks. Ryan did a great job. It was a successful first time. I still need to fix his crib. But on the way home, he fell asleep, and I just took him out of his car seat, put him down. I got a couple videos on my Snapchat. I didn't get any pictures because I don't know what happened to my phone, but the flash isn't working anymore. It's really strange. I don't know what happened. It started happening today. I did drop my phone a couple times, so I mean, I need a new phone anyway, so it doesn't really bother me. I really wanted to get my first picture with Ryan, but I didn't. But it's alright. We have many years to come. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish editing, and I believe that's gonna be the end of today's vlog. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Give Ryan a thumbs up. Tell us what your favorite part of the vlog was. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and make sure you follow the rest of our social media so you don't miss out on any of our cool activities going on in life. Cool. Whatever. Anyways, peace.